Hello, this tutorial is about comparing two areas of the screen. As an example, I have a picture of a form on the left and on the right I have its implementation. They look identical, but I want to make sure the implementation is pixel perfect. For this, I'm gonna use Pixel Twin. I will start the app and two windows will show up, a blue one on the left and a green one. The green window is a transparent copy of the blue one. The first step is to move the blue window above the picture, resize, then move the green window over the implementation. Try to overlap them as well as you can. Using the arrows, you can move the window more precisely. Now that they are overlapped, I can already see some differences, but to do that even better, I can use the slider. If I slide to the left, I get full opacity. If I slide to the right, I get full transparency. To alternate transparency, you can use the play button. Now we can see that the inputs are not aligned and the bullets have different sizes. I will try to fix that. The inputs look fine, now the bullets. And we're done. Now you are ready to compare two areas of the screen.